Former Westlife singer Brian McFadden has shared an update from his family holiday as he enjoys quality time despite a heavy downpour. The father of three was spending time with fiancée Danielle Parkinson and their toddler daughter Ruby as the family headed to Cornwall. However, the weather was not on their side as they put up with a typical British summer that included rain showers. The singer, who also performs as part of Boy's Life with Boyzone star Keith Duffy, was pictured holding hands with his toddler as the pair donned waterproof Macs to keep dry from the rain. In another snap, he was pictured dodging the downpour as he carried his daughter into a restaurant. Sharing his family holiday to Instagram with his 329,000 followers, Brian wrote, "The rain won't spoil our fun. Barbecue smokehouse in the rain." In another snap, Brian and family managed to enjoy some sunshine as he shared a cute snap of himself and Ruby playing on the beach. Daughter Ruby wasted no time getting stuck into paddling and splashing in the sea, as the pair also explored some of the caves along the Cornwall coast. Joined by fiancée Danielle's parents, the holiday getaway appeared to do performer Brian the world of good as he beamed for selfies alongside his soon-to-be in-laws. The former boy band member has also been pulled into the media recently as his ex-wife Carrie Katona has branded their failed marriage as fake, almost 2 decades after they divorced. The couple married in 2002, but divorced just 2 years later. They share daughters Molly and Lily Sue from their marriage. Carrie spoke exclusively to the Mirror, as she said, "Obviously first marriage, I thought it would last forever, I just went along with it. It was just fake, it wasn't real, it wasn't meant to be, it wasn't what I wanted, it was all fake and phony." Carrie also revealed that she and Brian are no longer in contact and haven't spoken since their daughter Molly's 21st birthday. Carrie shared that her daughter speaks to her current fiancé Ryan now more than Brian, not seen him since Molly's 21st birthday, because the girls are grown up now, we've got no reason to talk. Not that we really talked, we never really had that kind of close relationship. They'll ring Ryan before they ring Brian. If they need money, they ring Ryan. That's just how it is. Has got his own little family now, Ryan pays for Molly's car insurance. Molly and Ryan have such a great relationship, it's funny when they're together. Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.
Now take